Ryan here with another lead gen tactic to help you thrive in the current market. We know that everyone is online these days, and it's a great way for us to connect with not only our current clients, but also potential future leads. And one of the ways that Command supports doing this is through the creation of standalone landing pages. These landing pages are separate websites from your agent site with KW. So they are not going to be attached to your .kw.com website. However, landing pages are a great tool when we need to show off one specific piece of information and capture leads directly from it. So let's take a look at how easy it is to use Command's consumer platform to do exactly that. I'm here on my home dashboard and I'm going to click on the very last applet, which is our consumer platform. Consumer is where we create and manage all of the pages, not only on our KW agent website, but also those standalone landing pages. So they've got their own tab right up here at the top that we can click over to see and manage any of our existing active landing pages. Or we can click the Create New Page button right here in the top right to start from scratch. So let's go ahead and click that. And clicking it will present you with two options. Creating a site page for your agent site is going to be in the menu of your KW website, whereas a landing page is intended to stand alone and generate leads. So be aware of which it is that you're selecting when you come into the consumer platform to create, because it will make a big difference in how people reach this website. So let's go ahead and create a standalone landing page for lead generation and click Create Page. All right, I am here within the consumer creating page. And all this is really going to allow me to do is click the easy button when it comes to creating a website from scratch, because I don't need to know any code or HTML or JavaScript or those techie things. All I need to know how to do is drag, drop, and insert my own information. So all of the widgets that you see here on the right-hand toolbar are going to be the different available options for you to create landing pages with. So you've got branding, like a header. If I drag that branded header over to my canvas here in the main portion of my screen and drop it there, you'll see that Command pulls in all of the information from my marketing profile to build that widget out. So my headshot syncs automatically, my team's logo, my name and my contact detail, all right there for me. And I can rinse and repeat with any of the other available widgets here in the landing page creator. So if I would like to advertise my latest listing, I can drag over the listing block and drop that right beneath my header to add it to my page. This is going to be a great tool for really showing off all the fine details of your particular listing that you're looking to advertise. So as you can see, it's a sample listing with demo details right now. And when I'm ready to replace that with my own listings info, I need to click the Configure Widgets button here in the bottom right. Configuring widgets will allow me to customize the information contained within the widgets I drag to my canvas and make them personalized to me. So with this listings widget, in order to bring my listings details, I'm again going to leverage the KWLS connection. So if I click Browse Listings, I'll then be able to search up my property's address, locate the individual home that I'm looking to advertise, and click the Select button. This will pull in all of the details from that listing directly and allow me to just simply select a photo and let Command do the rest for me. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that same primary photo from the MLS, click Save and Apply here in the bottom right of my screen. And as those gears turn, Command is going to insert all of those listings' beautiful details straight from the MLS into the body of my listing landing page. So now I've got a page with my header branded to me at the top, all of the listing details any potential client could possibly want. And my last step is going to add one more widget here, which is the lead form. This is going to be essential for generating leads, which is what we're setting out to do with this landing page. So adding that lead form will include one last space where your clients can come in, tell you all of the details and any notes that they might find applicable, and most importantly, send their information into your command database as a lead. Once you've finished with that, you can select to immediately publish your landing page or save it for later if you'd like to go live with it at a later time. So I'm going to click publish. It's going to ask me if I want to update my landing page with this information. And under my landing pages tab, that one we just worked on together is going to be available right here for me to see. Last steps with any standalone landing page that we create are to make sure that we have customized it in a way that's identifiable to us. So with the ellipsis menu here on the far right, I can click that for a few more options, including the ability to edit the page again if I need to make any more changes to it, to change the URL, which is going to affect the last portion of the landing page's link. So it's always going to start with pages.kw.com/Ryan-Lord or your login to command / your quid number. And you can change that last portion to make it identifiable to you. That landing page URL can then be pointed to through the link you see here on your URL column. Or if you want to get creative with it, you can utilize any of the QR code creators out there to link directly to this landing page. You can create a URL shortener by using one of the available ones out there on the internet and point people in this direction however you'd like and capture those leads as people's interest rolls in. And it's really just that easy to create a landing page from scratch, to shorten the URL and share that out to the leads that you'd like to capture, and allow those to come directly into your command database while you stay working from within one system. And there's so much more that you can do with Command's consumer platform. So check out our other video on creating agent site pages that you can brand to your own personalization as your potential buyers search on your agent website with KW.